Hey, Mr. Poach, what are you doing? Oh, I was studying grammar. That's nice. It is a great habit. Maybe I want to explore nature today. Okay, buddy. Let's go now. Yeah, let's go. Wow, these flowers look nice. These are the flowers that growed 35 years ago, since Sri Garden was found. These flowers look nice. They almost look like a big circle to me. Hey, Captain Teddy Bear. What are you going to do tomorrow? I don't know. It's your choice.